Okay, so another circuit breaker video. You already saw I got to that page, so I'm just going to show you what's over here. Here in the 8.7, you can see that when you get to the first page, on the other video, this was all blank. This one, you can see open and tripped breakers on this page. So for whatever reason, it's probably on probably a deferred item. So this is the circuit breaker name, and this is the description. Okay, flight deck seat, first officer, and open. So that means this is open and locked, and it doesn't. It's that's how it looks when it's open. See, so locked, and it gives you all the information. There's the MEL, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's that, and also just to make a small correction from what I was saying from before. I said in the last video that all the circuit breakers are internal. That I learned very recently is not always the case. And here is the proof. Okay, these are all actual breakers. However, as you can see, there's no control over here. And so that means it's an actual physical breaker that is downstairs in either the forward or the mid ED compartments. Or forward or aft ED compartments. So I came across this issue last week, and I thought it'd be a good idea to update it. So anyway, that's all.